One of my subscribers contacted me today and told me to go to the Visalia Emergency Aid Thrift Store because she saw some vintage items there that she thought I might like. So that's where we're off to today. Come with us on this short adventure. I found this vintage Hazel Atlas juicer and I considered it, but as you can see, the edges were completely chipped. I'm still on the lookout for just the right one, and I know that it'll call to me when I find it. Look at this though, a beautiful and very substantial Franciscan apple bread or salad plate. I love it. I think it's more of a salad plate. There's no damage to it, and it's only 99 cents. Yes, please. This was a really cool aspen leaf decor. I believe you're meant to put a candle behind it or some kind of lighting, and it glows through it beautifully. This was such a beautiful vintage Nippon hand-painted lakeside scene plate. It sells for about $10 online, and the store was asking $1.99. If I didn't already have so many plates in my inventory, I would have purchased it. It was likely made and exported between 1891 and 1921, so it was definitely antique. This was such a cute candy dish by Mud Pie. It originally sold at Home Goods for $6.99, but the store wanted $4.99 for it. It's an import and it's not made to last without chipping easily, but it was adorable. This gorgeous pearlescent tea set, I believe is Japanese made and really stunning. It was priced at $50. Please make sure to like and subscribe. There is no cost to you for subscribing, but it does help out my channel. Next to them, I saw this fantastic Yamasen Japan Atomic Era looking cups and saucer set. So cool, except they're not vintage. They are modern, made in 2005 for somebody's wedding. This was really fun. They had a vintage metal authentic thermos, and I've heard that people are collecting them. This gorgeous little plate was a Nymo plate from Denmark. I bought and sold a different design one, but they're very artistic and made very, very well. The store wanted $8.99 for this one, and it's definitely worth it, but at that price, I'd have to keep it. Oh my goodness, this was a stunning piece of crystal. It must have had some kind of a handle, which was missing, but even so, I'm regretting not buying it because it was fabulous. I did not see a watermark, and you would think with something so beautiful, a maker would put a watermark on it. But Waterford, for instance, didn't always put watermarks on their pieces. Sometimes they adhered stickers, which oftentimes fell off. They had the set of 5 graduated Temptations bowls, priced at $25, and the top 2 didn't have their baskets. Here we are back home, and this is one of the items that we got, and I was so happy with it. Look at this beautiful Franciscan apple plate, and I believe it's a salad plate or dessert, I suppose, and it was 99 cents. I couldn't believe it. There's no damage to it. It's in perfect condition. It is so nice and sturdy. And it is Franciscan, made in the US. I love it. So beautiful. It does have a little bit of that staining, but I've done really well with getting that off with the magic eraser. So I think it should be perfect. So beautiful. And as we were checking out, I found this, and it did not have a price on it. I love it because it gives this really motivational saying, and if I don't put it on my desk, my husband's going to put it on his, and it is a Ray Dunn, and it has this beautiful like marbling on it, on the glazing. It's really pretty, and it's so nice, no damage to it. And I got it for 99 cents. I asked for a price, and the lady came over and said, oh, for that, 99 cents. So I said, thank you very much, and I took it. And sadly, that was all we found there this day. We have had some success there, and hopefully in the future we'll have some more. You never know what you can find, and it's always different. Every store that you go to, depending on the day and the time of day, it's always different. You never know what you'll find. And I have found some beautiful, beautiful items, and some that I've made a nice profit on. So get out there.
We took our son to the airport, and we went into 2 different stores before they closed.
Well, we're back home now, and it was a slim day of picking. I only found this, which I thought were great because occasionally I do send out 5x7 cards, and these are 5x7 envelopes. They're plain white. I got them for $2. I thought that was a good price. Even though it's not a full box, I can still use them, and I picked them up. As we were leaving, I was a little bit disheartened because a lot of the items were either really super expensive or they just weren't that great of quality. So I did find this though, as we were about to check out, right at the front desk area. I found this, and it was so cute, and it's in perfect condition. It is by Ray Dunn, and it's brand new. It even has this little holster to keep the lid on tight so that it doesn't fall or get broken. And I got it for $5.99 minus our 25% discount. So not a bad price, and it's adorable. And my husband actually said, you know, I don't know if I want to get rid of that. That's just so cute. So we'll see. Oh, did I show you the name? I almost forgot. It says Ray Dunn down at the bottom. Very, very cute. It doesn't say anything in the back, but it's really cute. Love that bunny. I could not wait to tell you about this because I am so excited about it. So there's two little monkeys in a bag and they're completely full. There's the Noah's Ark right there. There's two giraffes. It's brand new. See, it's got all its tags, two elephants, and Noah has his tag right there. And he is just so perfect. Look at the back of him. He's got his head dress there and a little a little robe, which has a little pocket. It's so cute. And then his robe there with his sash, just adorable. Look at this face. Oh my goodness. He is a Boyd's Bear original. He is a limited edition, Noah and Company. And I just think he's spectacular. Oh, I loved him. And I paid $11 minus our 25% discount. So I thought we paid $8.25, I believe it was, and oh my goodness, I can't get over it. I've never seen anything like this. Got his stand, and he's just so great. And that was all we found today. It was very, very slim pickings. If you liked the video you saw, click on this one next.